Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. So today we will discuss mind test 1.2G. Okay, start from 2B. 2B until 2F. B, C, D, E, F. So we start from 2B. Now, this is indices. Okay, and this is bracket. We have power of 1 over 3. So we multiply negative 3 multiply 1 over 3. Okay, times 3 power of 6 multiply 1 over 3. Bracket mean multiplication. This is fourth root mean power of 1 over 4. So 16. 16, we need to find the smallest base. What is the smallest base for 16? What is the smallest base for 16? What is the smallest base of 16? We start 4. 4 is not the smallest base. 4, we have another smallest base. Yes, very good. 2. Okay, 2 power of what? To get 16. Try and error. 2 multiply 2. Okay, this is 2 power of 2 equal to 4. Okay, multiply 2. So this is 3, 4. So 2 power of 4 equal to 16. Okay, this is try and error. Over 1 to 5. 1 to 5. What is the smallest base for 1 to 5? What is the smallest base for 1 to 5? 5. Yes, very good. 5. 5 power of what? So 5 multiply 5, 25. This is 5 power of 2, 25. Multiply 5. So 1 through 5 is 5 power of 3. Okay, close the bracket. Okay, I multiply with negative 1 over 3. Okay. And multiply 7 to 9. What is the smallest base for 7 to 9? Yes, 3. 3 power of. We try and error. 7 to 9. We want 7 to 9. 3 multiply 3. This is power of 2. Power of 3. Power of 5. Power of 6. Power of 7. So power of 7. Double check. 3 power of 7. Sorry. 3 multiply 3. Tadi saya darab lain. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 power of 6. Okay, 3 power of 6. Double check. 3 power of 6. Double check. 7 to 9. Okay, correct. So 3 power of 6. Multiply negative 1 over 3. And multiply 64. What is the smallest base for 64? What is the smallest base of 64? Okay. 2. Yes, 2. 2 power of 64. 2 multiply 2. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 64. 2 power of 6 equal to 64. Power of negative 1 over 3. Okay, we multiply the index. So now we simplify. This is 5 power of negative 1. Multiply. This is 3 power of 2. Multiply. This is 2 power of 1. Over. Okay, we multiply 5 power of negative 1. Multiply. This is 3 power of negative 2. Multiply 2 power of negative 2. Okay. Now we can combine because the same are base. 5 negative 1. This is negative 1. When divide, we minus. Minus negative 1. Because division. So we minus. Multiply 3 power of 2. Division. So minus negative 2. multiply 2 power of 1 minus negative 2. Okay, because division, so minus negative 2. You write in bracket. Okay, next. 5 power of negative 1. Negative 1 minus minus plus. So negative 1 plus 1 multiply 3 power of 2 minus minus plus. So 2 plus 2 multiply 2 power of minus minus plus 1 plus 2. So this is 5 power of 0 multiply 3 power of 4 multiply 2 power of 3. Okay, the question asks you to calculate the value. Calculate the value means you need to find the final answer. This is 1 multiply 3 power of 4. 3 power of 4. You can use your calculator. 3 power of 4 is 81. Multiply 2 power of 3. 2 power of 3. This is 8. So you solve 81 multiply 8. So 6, 4, 8. You get the final answer. Okay, understand class? For the first question, 2B. Understand? Okay, good. Next. Thank you, Aditya, for response. Number 2C. Okay, good. 2C. 2 power of 6 multiply 3 power of 4 multiply 5 power of 2 power of 3 over 2 over 256 multiply 729 multiply 3 125. Okay, we solve one by one. This is index, bracket, and index. So we multiply the index 2 power of 6, okay, in bracket, power of 3 over 2. Okay, multiply 3 power of 4 in bracket, power of 3 over 2. Multiply 5 power of 2 in bracket, 3 power of 2. We multiply all index. Okay, over, this is 256. Power of 1 over 4 because this is fourth root. Fourth root means the power is 1 over 4. So 256. What is the smallest base? What is the smallest base of 256? You want to try with 2. If you want to try with 2. So 2 multiply 2. This is 2 power of 2. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 256. So 2 power of 8. Double check. Double check. 2 power of 8. Okay, we get 256. Correct. Multiply 7 to 9. This is power of 1 over 2. Just now, we get 7 to 9 is 3 to the power of, okay, double check again. 3 multiply 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7 to 9. So, 3 power of 6. Multiply, this is power of 1 over 3. Cube root. 1 to 5 is 5 power of 5 multiply 5, 25, 2, 3. So 5 power of 3. Okay, you want to double check also can. 5 power of 3. Yes, we get 1 to 5. Right. So now we cancel the index. We simplify the index. This is 1, 3. So 3 multiply 3, 2 power of 9. Multiply. So 2 multiply 3. So this is 6. Multiply 5 power of 3. Over, this is 2 power of 2, multiply 3 power of 3, multiply 5 power of 1. So final answer, 2 power of 9 minus 2, okay, because division, multiply 3 power of 6 minus 3, multiply 5 power of 3 minus 1. So you get 2 power of 7, multiply 3 power of 3, multiply 5 power of 2. Okay, so next. Okay, 2 power of 7. What is the value of 2 power of 7? 128. Multiply 3 power of 3, 27. Multiply 5 power of 2, 25. So final answer, 128 times 27 times 25. Final answer is 86400. Okay. Understand, class? Okay, good. Thank you, Sangari. Next, this is 2C. Now, 2D. 9 root of 512 multiply cube root of 343 multiply square root 121 over 64 power of 1 over 3 multiply 81 power of 3 over 4 multiply 14641 power of 1 over 4. Okay. 9 root means 1 over 9, power of 1 over 9. 512, what is the smallest base? Okay, we try with 2. This is try and error method. We try with 2. 2 multiply 2. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 512. So 2 power of 9. Multiply. This is power of 1 over 3. What is the smallest base of 343? Okay. You look at the last value, the last digit is 3. So the base cannot be 2. Okay? Tak mungkin 2. So saya mula dengan 3. 343. 3 multiply 3. Okay, this is power of 2. 3, 4, 5. 5 dah tak boleh dah. Okay, tak dapat. So kita tak, bukan 343, bukan 3. Okay, next we try with 4. Boleh ke 4? Tak boleh juga. Saya rasa sebab dia nombor genap. Tak boleh. 4. 5 pun tak boleh. 6. 6 pun saya rasa tak boleh. Okay, sebab dia nombor genap. Okay, 6 tak boleh. 7. Okay, 7 multiply 7. Multiply 7. Yes, 7. This is 343. So what is the power? 7 multiply 7. Power of 2. Multiply 7. This is power of 3. So 7 to the power of 3. Multiply. This is power of 1 over 2. Okay. So the base cannot be 2 because this is 4 is the not the smallest base, Hari. Okay, 4 is the not the smallest base. We want the smallest base. 4 we can write 2 power of 2. So the smallest base for 512 is 2. Okay. So 1 to 1. 1 to 1. 1 to 1. What is the smallest base? 3. I don't think 3 can. Okay, multiply 3, multiply 3, 27, multiply 3, 81, multiply 3. Cannot. 2 for 3. Next, 4. 4 also cannot because this is odd number. If the base is 4, so the last number at the right hand side should be even number. 5 also cannot. 6 also cannot. 7. So I think this is 11. 11 power of 2. Try 11 power of 2. Yes, 1 to 1. Okay. This is try and error method. Next, 64. Power of 1 over 3. What is the smallest base for 64? I start with 2. 2 multiply 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 64. So 2 power of 6. Double check. 2 power of 6. Yes, 64. Next, multiply. 81. 3 power of 4. What is the smallest base? Yes, 3. 3 power of 4. Yes. Check. 3 power of 4. So 81. Correct. Multiply. 14, 641. Maybe power of the base is 11. Okay, maybe. So we try with 11. 11 multiply 11. 2, 3, 4. Oh, yes, 4. So 11 to the power of 4. Okay, so double check. 11 power of 4. Yes, 14,641. Correct. Okay. How I know 11? Tengok yang atas. 11. Mungkin dia sama. So kita try saja. Itu namanya try and error. Okay, next. Cancel. This is 2 power of 1. Multiply. This is 7 power of 1. Multiply. 11 power of 1 over 2 power of 2 multiply 3 power of 3 multiply 11 power of 1. Okay, next. Okay. Next, we combine 2 power of 1, 2 power of 1. This is division, so minus 2. Multiply 7 power of 1. We cannot combine because the base are different. 7 and 3. So we cannot combine. Multiply 11, 1 minus 1. Because this is 1. And here also 1. So minus. Over. Okay, ada lagi satu kita tak tulis. That is 3. 3 power of 3. Okay, we write like this. So this is 2 power of negative 1. Multiply 7. Multiply 11 power of 0 over 3 power of 3 is 20, or I write 3 power of 3 lagi. Never mind. Okay, next. 2 power of negative 1. This is negative indices. I change to positive indices because become 1 over 2. Multiply 7. Okay. Multiply 11 power of 0. Any number, any unknown power of 0, the answer is yes. Good, Sanggari. 1 power of 1. Okay, we solve this. And divide. Divide, division. This is over, means divide. 3 power of 3 is 27. Okay. Now we simplify in the bracket. 7 over 2. We multiply. 1 multiply 7 multiply 1. 7 over 2. Divide become multiply. Okay, this is over 1. So we change 1 over 27. So 7 multiply 1, 7. 2 multiply 27, 7 over 54. Can we simplify? Cannot. This is the final answer. Okay, this is for D. Any question, class? Okay, good. So I proceed for 2E. Okay, good. Salina, Sanggare. 2E. 2 power of 4 multiply 3 power of 6 power of 1 over 2 multiply cube root of 8 multiply square root of 81 over 16 power of 3 over 4 multiply 27 power of 1 over 3. Okay, we expand bracket index 2 power of 4. This is power of 1 over 2. Okay, we separate 3 power of 6 power of 1 over 2 multiply. This is 1 over 3 power of 1 over 3. So what is the smallest base for 8? 2. What is the power of 2 to get 8? 2 power of 3. Multiply. This is square root, means power of 1 over 2. What is the smallest base of 81? 9 is not the smallest base. What is the smallest base? 2 power of 9 cannot. 3 power of 4. Okay, double check. 3 power of 4. Yes, 81. Okay, look. Let's say you get 9 power of 2, right? You know 81 is 9 power of 2. So you change to the smallest base. 9 is 3 power of 2. So this is power of 2. So straight away we get 3 power of 4. Okay, make sure you use smallest base for indices. Okay, next. 16. This is power of 3 over 4, 16. If the base is odd number, okay, let's say here 2, power of n. If the base, even number, the base even number, so the value will be even number also. Okay, so 16 is 2 power of 4. Okay, multiply 27. This is 3 power of 3. Yes, 3 power of 3. So we simplify 2 power of 2 multiply 3 power of 3 multiply 2 power of 1 multiply 3 power of 2 over, okay, this is 2 power of 3 multiply 3 power of 1. So we have only base 2 and base 3. So we combine base 2. I start with base 2. This is 2. Multiply. This is 2 power of 1. So when multiplication, the index will plus 1. And divide 2 power of 3. The same base. So index we will minus 3. Multiply 3. Okay, we settle with 2. Now we start with 3. 3 power of 3 multiply 3 power of 2. Multiplication. So we plus 2. Over 3 power of 1. So minus 1. Okay. Next. Two power of 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Multiply 3 power of 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 1, 4. So 3 power of 4. Yes. So this is 2 power of 0. What is the answer? 2 power of 0. Yes. Good. Remember, any number, any unknown, let's say m. M power of 0. The answer always 1. 1000 power of 0 always 1. Remember. Okay. So multiply 3 power of 4. 3 power of 4, the answer is 81. So 1 multiply 81. Final answer 81. Okay, finish. Understand, class? Okay, good, good. Next, last one, 2f. Okay, good. 2f. 2 over 3, 64 power of 2 over 3. Cube root of 125. Multiply 2 multiply 1 over 5 power of negative 3 over, this is 4 power of 2 multiply 4 what root 6 to 5. Okay, 64. You know 64 is 8 power of 64 you know is 8 power of 2. Okay, and 8, the smallest base is 2, 2 power of 3. So final answer is 2 power of 6. Okay, that is 2 power of 6. Yes, good Sanggari. So this is 2 power of 6. Multiply, this is cube root. So this is power of 1 over 3. 1 to 5 is 5 power of 3. Next, multiply 2 power of, this is power of 1. Okay, so 1 multiply negative 3, this is negative 3. And 5, this is 1 over 5. This is positive index number. Because we want to know what is the indices for 5, so we change to negative index number. Become 5 to the power of negative 1. Okay, this is positive index number. Okay, 5 is denominator. If we want to change to negative index number, from denominator, it's become numerator. Okay, over, next, 2. Okay, 4, what is the smallest base? 2 power of 2. Multiply, okay, power of 1 over 4. Okay, fourth root is power of 1 over 4. 6 to 5, 6 to 5. So 5, the last number is 5. Okay, so the base should be 5. Okay, try and error. 5 multiply, 5 multiply 5, 2, 3, 4. So 5 to the power of 4. Okay, so simplify. 2 multiply 2, 4. Answer here 5 power of 1. Multiply 2 power of negative 3. Multiply negative 3 multiply negative 1. 5 power of 3. Over 2 power of 4. Multiply 5 power of 1. So now we have base 2 and base 5. So 2. 2 power of 4 plus negative 3. Okay, because multiplication plus negative 3. Negative 3 right in bracket. Minus 4. Multiply 5 power of 1 plus 3 minus 1. Okay, next. So this is 2 power of 4 minus 3. Plus minus is minus. Okay, plus minus minus. So minus 4. Multiply 3 power of 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Oh, sorry. This is not 3, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. This is 2 power of negative 3 multiply 5 power of 3. Okay. This is negative index number because we want to get the value. So we change to positive index number. Okay. Multiply 5 power of 3. This is 1 over 8. Here is 1 to 5. So final answer 1 to 5 over 8. Kadang-kadang ada langkah yang saya tunjuk ni awak boleh skip. Let's say here. You can skip this method, this step. Okay. So yang ini ditulislah. Saya tulis setiap satu detail supaya awak boleh follow apa yang saya ajar. Okay, yang ini you boleh skip method ni sebenarnya. Yang ini pun boleh skip. Terus 1 over 8 multiply 1 to 5. Saya tulis detail supaya semua boleh faham. So we settle until 2F. Okay, 2F we settle. Ada soalan lain? Tak ada. Tadi yang masuk dalam grup hanya 2 orang saja yang tulis list tadi, list soalan. Okay, ada apa-apa nak tanya? Any question, class? Any question? No. Okay, no. Question C, Haris. Question C. Number 1 or number 2? Exercise 1. Number 1C. Number 1C, mind test 1.2J, correct? Hari? Yep. So 1C, okay. Mind test 1.2J, number 1C. 25 x power of 3 y z power of 2 multiply 4 x power of 2 z over square root of 36 x power of 5 y z power of 8. Okay, first we write, okay, in bracket, and power of square root means 1 over 2. Okay, this is 4. You can write 2, power of 2, x power of 2, z over, and this is square root, mean 1 over 2. 36. 36 is 6 power of 2, x power of 5, y power of 1, z power of 8. Okay, actually 25, you can straight away change. This is a 5 power of 2. Then we multiply. We multiply the index. Okay, we multiply. I straight away multiply. Okay, I multiply. So this is 5 power of 2 multiply 1 over 2, 1. X power of 3 multiply 1 over 3, 3 over 2. Y, this is y power of 1. So y power of 1 multiply 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Z, 2 multiply 1 over 2. So this is 1. Multiply 2 power of 2. Okay. X power of 2. Z power of 1. This is power of 1. Over. Okay. 2, 1 over 2. So 6 power of 1. Multiply. This is x power of 5 over 2. Because the question asks you to simplify. When simplify means you need to find the number. Okay. Or you want to, 6 is not, the smallest base of 6 is not 2, Hari. 2, let's say, 2 multiply 2, 4 multiply 2, 8 multiply 2, 16 multiply 2, 32. 32 is not 36. Different. So the smallest base for 6, for 36 is not 2. Okay, Hari? Smallest base of 36 is not 2. 36, the smallest base is 6. Okay? Okay. Good. Okay. Sorry. X ni saya dah tulis 2 kali. This is y power of 1 over 2. Z power of, okay, cancel. Power of 2. Number, the number is different. So we combine 5 multiply 2 power of 2, 4 over 6 power of 1, 6. Okay, we solve the coefficient first. X, okay, X 3 over 2 plus 2 minus 5 over 2. Okay, Y 1 over 2. Okay, ini tak ada. So ada bawah. So minus 1 over 2 because of division. Okay, 1 over 2 and here 1 over 2. So divide. Z, okay, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 minus 4. Okay, next. 5 multiply 4 over 6. So I simplify. So I get 5 multiply 2, 10. 10 over 3. So this is 10 over 3. X power of 3 over 2. Okay, I solve the index. 3 over 2 plus 2 minus 5 over 2. So the answer is 1. Okay, so x to the power of 1. Y power of 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2, 0. Z equal to 1 plus 1, 2 minus 4, negative 2. So 10 over 3 x, okay, y power of 0 is 1. Z power of negative 2. This is 1 over z power of 2. Okay, bracket means multiplication. Bracket means multiplication. Or you want to write multiplication symbol also can. Okay, so this is 10x over 3z square. Okay, 10x over 3z square. Okay, understand? Okay. Okay. No question, right? Ada lagi soalan lain? Ada lagi soalan lain? Okay. So we stop until here. Thank you, class. See you on Friday.